right-hand side is one of the two
No
shipyards.
cars are
Yeah,
allowed
that's,
in
uh,
this
that's the original
village
of
called
Giethoorn. You can see it
Giethoorn.
on the board. You can see
All
with the
navigation
two-
is via
and
canal.
It has 2 points in the front and in the back. So this is not an original one. They still build those boats by hand, and it takes 3 months to build one, and it's from oak wood.
So all transportation is by boat.
The White House that you see here, it's called Isola, and it means island in Italian. All the little canals on the right-hand side, they come out into the lake that is behind this, and therefore all the houses here are built on little islands, and the only connection with the mainland is the little bridge. So if you want to move, you really need a boat for that, because you don't want to put your refrigerator over that bridge. It will be good if you will be back at 11:20 with the boat, so we can.
So Giethoorn has a population of 2,600.
We will stop at Gloria Maris. And Gloria Maris is a gallery. It's nice to go into. It's